Welcome back to Tampa Boys Customs, guys. YouTube, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Tampa Boys Customs. Guys, today we got the little sister's bike out. We took off that, oh, I'm kicking these off. We took off this little baby, little 97cc. We got a stage 2 212 with a governor delete on there, guys. Oh yeah, she's gonna be sweet. This little thing. I forget how big these motors are. I'm working on the reverse trike build too, but man, I forget how big these 212s look on these little moto boxes, man. Or doodlebug. Like, it is insane how big that motor is to this little tiny bike. So guys, I want to show you a little quick intro to this. I just want to show you a few little tips. As you know, that you can see how small that mounting plate is there. It's really tiny. It's not big enough for this 212. And even if you can get two of the bolt holes in the lineup, it wouldn't match the clutch. So the easiest way to do this is just take your chain and put your chain on the tensioner and pull it all the way forward as straight as you can and look and see where it hits. And now what I'm going to do is get my motor more over to the left. I'm going to flop that clutch around so it's on the inside. You know, so that it'll give me more room over. But all you got to do is, guys, is line that chain up. Before you mark any holes or drill any holes, line that chain up to where it's perfectly straight on that clutch. Get your motor all square in there and take you a marker. And get up in there, a little short marker, and just mark 4 holes and then drill. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call come through and stop my recording. So all you do is you take a marker and you just mark those 4 holes. Once you get that chain lined up perfectly straight. So that's all you gotta do, guys. Really simple, man. This little thing's gonna be ripper. I have to redo the exhaust. That stage 1 exhaust will not fit on this bike. It hits the tire and the brake. So we'll probably just run a little exhaust out this side, or maybe even a stock muffler, because this is my little sister's bike, so I really don't want it that fast. All right, guys, I'll get back into you when I get the holes marked. Peace. All right, guys, we're back. Got the motor on there. Had to get the puller out to get that dang clutch off, I tell you. The thing was not easy to turn around here. All right, so what I did here, like I said, I was gonna flip that clutch around, put it on the inside so I can get this motor over to the left more. So now you can see we got some slop in the chain. The motor's all the way forward it can go. So we're gonna have to shorten that chain up a little bit. I could tighten that tensioner, but it's just not enough. We're gonna have to shorten the chain. So guys, you just get your motor squared up, get your short little marker, mark your 4 holes, drill them out, get your chain lined up, and bam, you're there. That's all it takes, man. Kaylee's gonna be ripping again, guys, here shortly. We don't need that little piece of junk. Get out of here. Get out of here. Blow it up ass motor. I should blow it up. Should take it out there and shoot it with a gun. See if I can't blow it up. Maybe we'll do that later. All right, guys, there it is. The motor's on there. Like I said, I got to shorten the chain a little bit. Man, it's just crazy how big these freaking 212s are on these doodlebugs, man. Just a big old motor sitting in there. Well, I hope you like it, kid. We'll get it going for you. Be out riding again. Yeah, buddy. Been working on the reverse trike too, guys. I got the swing arm in. It's all welded up, mounted. Yeah. So I just gotta make some axle hangers. I gotta get an axle for this wheel, and then some axle hangers. Weld those in. That's just a mock-up motor I'm using. I'm using the motor off Sweet Pea to go on this. It's got the torque converter on it. Guys, look at that little thing. Ain't she cute? Just a little thing. All right, guys, just a little update video, show you what's going on. I'm out here getting Kaylee's bike running again. It'll be going soon. She'll have a lot more power now. From that little baby motor to that big motor. Oh yeah. And this is a stage 1 governor delete motor too. So this little 212 is putting out about 10 horsepower. All right, as always, guys, there's a golf cart over there just chilling. Go-kart, Sweet Pea, the trike, they're all over there. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, man. Share this video if you can. I really appreciate it. Like I said, we go live every Monday night at 6 p.m. and every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. And I've been doing a lot of premieres lately, so be looking out for those. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching, man. Catch you guys later. Peace out. YouTube, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Camp Boys Customs. Look what we did, guys. Little sister's mini bike no longer has that little baby 97 or 79 cc or whatever that thing is. Yep, it's got a 212 on it now, guys. I tell you what, had to run the stock muffler for right now. But I mean, that's all she needs anyways. This bike has so much pep. Look how beautiful it looks. Let me go ahead and show you guys around. We got that purple flake paint job, you know. Got the new tires on there. It needs to be cleaned up. It's dirty. It's been sitting in the shop. Let me fire it up for you guys though and take a little rip. Everything's pretty wet, so I can take a little ride on it. Let me see if I can zoom this out a little bit. Nope. All right, so that's all we're gonna get right there. Runs, all that good stuff. Big shout out on American Patriots and beat. There it is, folks. Can't wait to bring the little sister over and let her ride it, guys. I think she'll enjoy it now. She won't be getting stuck in the field no more on this one. Got plenty of power. Look out. I was spinning every time I hit the throttle at her, guys. Every time. It's so wet. But there it is, guys. I'll put this together with the little video I have. Let me shut this off. I'll put this together with a little video I have showing you how to swap one of these over from the 79cc to the 212. Really simple, guys. Just a matter of drilling 4 holes, getting your chain lined up. That's it. That's all it is. Simple. And I had to flip the clutch around. That's it. All right, guys, we go live every Monday night at 6 p.m. every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. It's Monday right now, so we'll be live tonight. Catch you guys there. As always, thanks for watching, man. Appreciate all you guys. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.